Hey guys, just time for an update. I'm sitting on top of a ladder and I have put some fiberglass very roughly on top of the roof there because I had a leak along here. So the water was pooling up, finding its way into a tiny little gap that's now completely covered with the fiberglass. And I went right to the edge, right to the back, and about 30 centimeters or a foot in onto the roof. The fiberglass is also going to give the roof some rigidity. It's a lot stronger now than it was. So this is mainly why I had to put the fiberglass on. All those little tiny marks are damage from hailstones. Lucky I did some research and found out that the fiberglass resin will eat any exposed foam, so I threw a coat of paint over it. Just thought I'd do an update on that. Not a lot to show. Even the kookaburras think it's funny.